How to add Visa gift card in your Airbnb app. Let's get started. Launch your Airbnb app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the Explore page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of profile given at the bottom right corner. Now navigate to the option of payments and payouts. Now click on the option of payment methods. Click on the option of add payment method. Select the option of credit or debit card. Now from here you can easily add your Visa gift card. All you have to do is provide the details. First up, type in the card number. Then go ahead and type in the expiration date. Type in the CVV. Type in the zip code. Select the country or region. And after you provide all the details, click on done. And just with that, your Visa card will be added to your Airbnb app. This way you can easily add Visa card in your Airbnb app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.